Let's make fun.
Hey everybody, it's Midnight Weekend.
How's it going? Today we are making fantuan. Fantuan is, how would you describe it? The closest thing would be like a Chinese burrito.
Made with sticky rice.
That's right, and you roll it up and you put some pork floss in there, some pickled vegetables, a Chinese cruller, and then the other ingredients kind of vary from fantuan to fantuan. I grew up on the west side of LA. The first time I had fantuan was in San Gabriel Valley, and it was next to this bookstore that sold Dragon Ball books back in the day. And my dad would bring me there, and then we'd always get like one fantuan. So I'd get a fantuan and a Dragon Ball book.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet.
It's like so awesome, right? What about you? When was the first time you had a fantuan?
I do remember my mom making them a lot for us for lunch, especially when we were going on like road trips or when I had like a school field trip, because it's so compact and like ready for you to go anywhere.
It doesn't like go bad like a roll of like sushi.
Or like a soggy sandwich.
Oh,
The
those are the worst.
So today we are going to be making two versions of fantuan. One which is the savory classic, and the other version is kind of a hybrid.
We're gonna try and mash it up with a dish we really like from Thailand, which is mango sticky rice. So I figure glutinous rice, might as well. First step to Asian cooking, go to 99 Ranch.
We bought two types of sticky rice. One is the black sticky rice and the other one is the short-grained white sticky rice. We also bought two types of sesame, which we toasted. We also got two mangoes.
Coconut milk. We fried some mung beans, and that's a traditional topping that goes on mango sticky rice. First up, we got the classic fantuan.
Yeah, let's start assembling.
How big is this fantuan gonna get?
Enough for you and I to be full.
And then the next one?
Yeah, that's a
Gotcha.
different stomach.
That's true.
Wow, that's looking really nice.
I know, I'm really enjoying squaring this piece of rice out. I don't know why. The pickled vegetable adds a much needed saltiness to this.
Same thing with like the youtiao, right? It adds like a different texture to it.
Pork floss, also one of my favorite ingredients.
Wow.
Pro tip for cooking glutinous rice is using an Instant Pot.
Where'd you get that from?
From the ground, set it and forget it.
It was done
Voila.
within like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Do you want to roll it up or do you want me to roll it up?
I'll roll it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Have you rolled up a fantuan before?
I am not.
All right, first time.
I haven't done this.
I think you can do it.
I think you gotta claw grip it, right? At this point.
You're doing it.
I'm doing it! Was I supposed to smush the ends in?
No. I mean, I definitely said. Great. Let's cut it open and eat it.
Wow.
Wow.
That
Hey, one for you, one for me.
Cheers. Mmm.
Mmm.
The bamboo shoots are a great addition.
This is just a handheld meal.
Handheld porridge.
Mmm.
Mmm.
That youtiao does really make a difference, but the youtiao is nice and fried and crunchy.
That's good.
I hope we did our moms proud. I'm so excited for this one because I don't think I've ever seen mango sticky rice fantuan.
Me neither. Nobody has.
Nobody has.
So for this one, we're gonna be putting two types of sticky rice on there. I kinda wanna do like a diagonal stripey thing, right?
The black sticky rice holds its shape a lot better. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's getting there.
Paul and I met in Shanghai, where we both lived for about 7 years. So eating fantuan and making it now and here is kind of like full circle for us, right? Because that's where
Sure.
fantuan originated from.
And then it got popularized in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and elsewhere. And that's how we have come to know it.
This looks beautiful.
You grab the cruller, I'll smush it.
Okay,
That looks great.
let's put some mango slices on. Wow, this is so pretty. These colors are so nice. Can I put on both sides?
Why not?
There's two more things we have to put in here, one of which is a reduced coconut milk, which we simmered with some monk fruit sweetener and a little bit of salt. Also, sweetened condensed milk. Just cooking this was so nice because it was so fragrant.
This is like the epitome of Thai sweets.
Look at that, it's so frothy. It literally looks like meringue.
I'm just gonna put it right on everything.
This smell really brings me back to Thailand.
This is something I've never seen before, I'll tell you that much.
I would be happy if this was like my birthday cake. Wow. I don't think I've ever been this excited for dessert.
Oh man, I can't wait.
This is really pretty.
Mmm.
The mango is so refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little savory too because of the salt. So you're getting a bunch of different textures, flavors, some really good fusion going on.
I think we kind of invented a dish.
Maybe. It was really nice to revisit the fantuans from our childhood and then create something new.
So here's to the past, present, and future. We'll check you guys later. Bye.
See ya.